What if your wall could showcase infinite AI art? The SwitchBot Frame transforms your home into a living gallery. Let's explore how creators are using it. The SwitchBot Frame is a smart digital display designed for AI-generated artwork. It features a high-resolution e-ink screen that mimics traditional art on canvas. Unlike tablets, e-ink displays are energy efficient and create stunning visual depth. Perfect for showcasing your AI creations without battery drain. Connect your frame to the SwitchBot app and upload AI artwork directly from your phone. Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion outputs look incredible on this display. Schedule rotations to cycle through collections, create themed gallery serialism. 1 week, abstract the next, your wall becomes an ever-evolving creative statement. Probaczenie and Negashi wall becomes generate art at high resolution for maximum clarity on the display. Experiment with monochrome or high contrast pieces. They pop on e-ink. Use the frame scheduling feature to align art changes with your mood or seasons. Share your gallery remotely with friends and followers for feedback. Digital frames bridge the gap between digital creation and physical presence. SwitchBot's integration makes displaying AI art seamless and professional. It's proof that AI-generated work deserves real-world appreciation. Your creations aren't just pixels, they're gallery pieces for your space. Want to just pixels? They're gallery pieces for your space. Want to display your AI art? Subscribe for more setup guides and prompting tricks. Like and comment your favorite AI-generated piece below.